My name is Joel Albert, and thank you for joining the INS Product Spotlight. Here with me today is Tim Adams, Director of IoT Sales for Cisco North America. Thanks for joining us, Tim.
Thank you.
All right. Cisco is really well known as an enterprise collaboration cybersecurity company, but many people might not know that Cisco has a great presence in the industrial and manufacturing space. So can you talk a little bit about the Cisco Extended Enterprise and why that's important to an IT professional?
Sure. Yeah, so Cisco's legacy, it's been built on serving the IT industry. So what we've done with IoT is we've actually looked at connecting the things that are outside of the carpeted space. You know, manufacturing PLCs to warehouses, all the way out to oil fields, where things just aren't traditionally connected. So that's really the goal of the Cisco IoT Extended Enterprise strategy.
Now also, the Cisco Validated Designs, CVDs, are really well known in the enterprise space. And we now have some CVDs that are available on the IoT side as well, right?
What we do at Cisco is we look at the best practices. We looked at how do we operate this equipment out in the field in the real world environment that will be operating in. And so from a validated design perspective, we put a lot of money and energy into making sure that we've got the equipment working in the environment that it's going to be operating in, so, in temperature and dust and water. And within that, we have a few that are built towards manufacture, and one of them specifically is built towards remote and mobile assets. And that's just basically, if you've got assets that are out in the middle of nowhere that have some connectivity to 3G or 4G, we're able to connect it to being inside of a building.
Right. Remote mobile assets has not only the networking side, cellular WAN, wireless as a WAN, edge compute, cloud connectivity, and many things that are in the Cisco remote mobile asset CVD. Well, Tim, thank you for being here with us today. We appreciate it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for joining us.